Good morning, it's Stephanie and I'm ready to work on some stitch outs for the booth, and I wanted to just explain a couple things as I'm getting started. There's going to be a lot of videos today, so just bear with me. All I'm going to do here is I've already pulled my bobbin thread up to the top and locked in my stitches, and I've got my quilt sandwich made. I've spray basted the layers together, but I want to show you that the beginning point and the end point of this ruler are on the exact same plane. And so on this piece of fabric, which I've got rolled up here in my throat space so it's not in my way, and I'm going to work from left to right when I'm stitching. But there's a crease here in my fabric, and I'm going to line up the beginning point and the end point on that line so that I know that I'm going in a straight line. So I'm going to go ahead and stitch that across, and then I'm going to move down to do the next row and make sure that everybody understands how you're going to nest these designs so it doesn't look like you stitched it in rows. So I'm going to go ahead and get started here, and I'm lining up the beginning and end points, and then all I'm going to do is hold my template, making sure that I am not applying too much pressure on the outside edges. I want a nice even pressure, and move your fingers along as you stitch so that you are not popping the center portion of that template up in the middle. So I'm going to just stitch right along, and you notice I'm just moving my fingers a little bit here as we go. All the way across. And to the end of the design, stop, needle down, and twist. So I got a really nice looking pattern going, and now I'm just going to continue all the way across this row. Always stopping with my needle in the down position, and that's so I don't lose my place when I'm twisting. Oh, if you're interested in any of these templates, you can find them on our website at www.cscountrystitchin.com, and you can buy them. We have a beginner set on there. Then you just order the foot that you need for your machine. And I'm going to go about halfway across this piece that's about crib size. So I do have it rolled up in my throat space. I have used my 505 spray baste to baste my layers together so that I don't have to worry about moving pins or trying to stitch over pins. Again, stopping, needle down, and I'm just going to continue stitching and flipping until I get to my center point, which I've marked here with just a white marking pen. That way, I know exactly where I'm going. And then we're just going to move down and do the next row. Stop.